She rubbed a paracetamol pill in her hair. What happened a few hours later is fantastic. Paracetamol is known for its ability to cure minor aches and pains, but it is also said to be a very positive product in many beauty and everyday tricks. After extensive research on the internet, I found a number of recommendations involving the use of paracetamol in the hair. And I have written down many tips and then share them with you. Have you ever had paracetamol in your hair? I encourage you to share your comments with us, as well as other alternative uses that are useful for use with acetaminophen. When you try these tips and tricks, remember to consult your doctor before taking a new medication. Fight dandruff. The use of paracetamol to combat dandruff is a two-step process. 1. First, you need to mix a couple of crushed tablets with your usual shampoo and apply it to your scalp in the normal way while you shower. Once the mixture has rested for a few minutes, rinse thoroughly. 2. Then massage the mixture of acetaminophen and warm water into the scalp and let it work for 10 minutes. Again, rinse, and then dry your hair with a towel. Paracetamol contains micronutrients that are used in many anti-dandruff shampoos. The big difference between expensive shampoos and paracetamol is that paracetamol is much cheaper. So why not take advantage of this? But paracetamol can also be used for these things. 1. For the garden. Paracetamol prevents the appearance of fungi and ethylene, the two worst enemies of plants. That is why medicine can work wonders in your garden. Grind some paracetamol tablets, mix them with water and introduce the combination into an atomizer. If you spray your plants with this mixture regularly, you will not have any problems with mushrooms and ethylene. 2. Skin problems. Paracetamol has often been shown to have calming effects on acne and psoriasis outbreaks. So you can enjoy these benefits. Stir 5 crushed acetaminophen tablets in half a cup of warm water. Mix thoroughly until dissolved. Now you can apply the mixture on the affected areas of the skin, and very soon you